Kind regards, appreciate tutor and colleagues. In this video, I will share my next plan for a trip. Despite the circumstances in which we find ourselves now due to the pandemic, my family and I have thought of making a trip with all the biosecurity measures to the city of Cartagena, counting on the time in which we find ourselves. We plan to stay in an hotel facing the sea, since there is no better view. We will carry our luggage with fresh clothes, since we will go to a hot climate. Other accessories such as glasses, sandals, umbrella, bathing suit, sunscreen, among others. This trip I will do with my parents and my best friend. In Cartagena, I would like to visit the Wild City, walk through its colorful streets, go to restaurants, visit the Rosario Islands and its surroundings, enjoying the landscape. Probably on the economy issue we will spend more than $1 million, since we always like to bring memories of the places we visit. I will take to the opportunity to make many photos and enjoy it the fullest after not going out for so long. Thanks.